Friends, you are welcome again on our YouTube channel Bright Brain TV. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the top 5 business fundamental courses. Friends, if you want to open a new business or you already have your business and want to grow it, then I believe this top 5 business fundamental courses surely beneficial for you. Okay, let's start. Friends, an entire MBA in one course, award-winning business school pro. This course is at number 5 on our list. So far, this course has a rating of 4.4 and more than 4 lakh students have enrolled for this course. If we talk about the course content, then in this course have about 83 lectures which were converted in 8 hours and 40 minutes. And for this course, your instructor is going to be Chris Harron, who have been award-winning MBA professor. You should know that this instructor rating is very good, which is 4.5, and he has brought around 10 million students. Every student can join this course who want to know about the business, in which almost all the things have been explained practically. If we talk about the syllabus of the course, then this course cover almost all things like how to launch new company, what is financial analysis, how does manage in cash flow works, how does alternative modeling and valuation works, etc. In short, this course provide 8 hours of videos, also give you 33 articles in it, and downloadable resources of course. And this downloadable resources will also be given to you, and this all will for lifetime. And this course can watch in TV and mobile even. And as soon as you finish the course, you will also given certificate of completion. So if you wish to join this course, you can visit my site and get details. This is a review and feedback of some real-time students, which can see once by pausing the video. Let's know about our 4th number of course. MBA in a box, business lesson from CEO. This course is number 4 on list. The course has been given rating more than 4.6 by the students, and more than 55,000 students have enrolled for this course. This course has about 180 lectures which are taught by 11 hours and 29 minutes. The instructor for this course is 365 Career Academy, who have taught 1.5 million students so far. Those who want to start their new business, they want to get success in business career, or else, or if someone is a manager in the business and want to move forward, all people can join this course. To join this course, just only thing you need is your desire to learn. In this course, you will learn MBA introduction practically, case study from marketing, how to negotiate, and many more. In this short course, you will get, if you want to know all the things given in the syllabus, then I think you should take this course. This is a review and feedback of some real-time students and social students. So you can just pause this video and read some reviews. So it will help you to get some more idea about the course. 101 crucial lesson they don't teach you in business school. This course is at third number in the list. Students have given a rating of 4.4 for this course, and about 68,000 students have done or enrolled for this course. If talk about the content of the course, then this course has 19 sections and 65 lectures almost, which were covered in 8 hours and 8 minutes. Okay, so let's know more about this course. Friends, this course also designed and taught by Christ Heron, who has been award-winning MBA professor. You should know that this instructor rating is very good, that is 4.5, and has taught around 10 million students. Every student can join this course who want to know about the business, in which almost all the things have been explained practically. So who is this course for? I think every person who is interested in doing the business, this course is for him. If we talk about the material that is required to learn this course, then friend, just need a positive attitude only to learn this course. To learn this course has all the things that you can be used in business development, such as goal setting, what is happiness, how you can think differently, how you can manage risk. All these things you can learn from this course. In short, this video include 1.5 hours on demand video, 2 articles, and main important thing is that full lifetime access of the course. And this videos you can access on mobile or even TV also. And one more thing, as soon as you complete this course, you will get certification as you have completed this course. Again, here is some feedback and review of some real and social students, which you can see once pausing this video. Creative design, thinking and innovation for business. This course at number 2. This course has been rated 4.4 plus by the students, and more than 26,000 students have enrolled for this course. The whole course is divided into 42 lectures, and you have to spend 3 hours and 8 minutes to complete this course. Joy and Natil Rivera are your instructor for this course. And Natila are the top instructor, and about 87 courses have more than 3 lakh students have already take their courses, and anyone can join this course, like company owner, manager or team leader can enroll for this course and get benefit from it. This is some real time students review. You can pause the video and once go through it so that you will get detailed ideas about this course. Our list number 1 course is Business Bootcamp, 7 weeks to start your own business. Obviously the rating of this course is 4.6 plus. Number of students enrolled for this course more than 90,000 students till now, and course contained 52 lectures that will covered in 6 hours and 33 minutes in total length. Let's know about instructor. The instructor for this course is Phil Abino. This instructor is top rated instructor. We have taught 2 million plus students, and obviously rating of this instructor is 4.6, and that is obviously very good rating. And he taught more than 2 million students and have also designed and taught 151 courses. Any freelancer who want to successful in their business and any company managers can take this course. and obviously requirement of this course is nothing special. Student taking the class will be walked through the entire process of creating business. Okay, or any new scholar can also join this course. Obviously in this course you will learn all the basic things like how to define the target audience, how to build online presence, find and onboard your first clients, etc. In short, this video include 6.5 hours on demand videos, 4 articles, 7 downloadable resources, and full lifetime of access. And in this course also, as you completed this course, you will get certificate of completion. So dear viewers, in today's video we have seen 5 top basic business development courses. Okay, if you like these courses, so just go through the links given below and you can enroll for this course. So thank for watching.